Hi guys, this week we're going to be learning subtraction within 1,000. There were 372 people at the zoo. It started raining and 195 people left. How many people are at the zoo now? So we're going to look at our strip diagram. What do we know? We know there was a total of 372 people. We know it started raining, and we know 195 people left. And what we're trying to solve is how many people are at the zoo now. So we know the total people, 372. It started raining, 195 left. And now we want to solve for how many people are at the zoo. So today we're going to be using a place value chart. So you're going to draw your lines. You're going to put your H in your hundreds place, your T in your tens, and your O in your ones. When we're subtracting, remember we always start with the bigger number. And we start with our total down here, which is 372. I'm going to build 372. I'm going to draw 300s. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go to my tens place, and we have 7 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to go to our ones place, and we have 2 ones. So 1, 2. So now we're ready to subtract. So we're going to subtract 195. So we're going to look at it. Can I take 5 away? No, I can't because there's only 2 ones. So what do I need to do? I have to come to my tens place. I'm going to get a 10. And I'm going to move it to the ones place. Remember, 10 ones equals a 10. So we're just swapping out a 10 rod and putting our 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract my 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'll count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones are left. Now I'm going to go to my tens place. I need to subtract 9 tens. I only have 6 tens, so can I do that? No, I can't. I have to go next door. I'm going to get 100, and I'm going to break it apart. When we break apart 100, we get 10 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm ready to take away 9 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I'm going to count my tens and see how many I have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So there are 7 tens. Now I'm going to go to my hundreds place. How many hundreds am I going to subtract? 1. So we're going to X out 100, and we have 100. So there are 177 people at the zoo.